Hey, it's Dan from EYESQUID. Today I'm going to be unboxing my favorite gimbal of all time, the FeiyuTech AK4500. This is a amazing gimbal. I actually had a demo unit for a couple of weeks, but I had to return it. But FeiyuTech luckily sent me a brand new one, and I get to keep it, so this is it. So I'll show you what's in the box. This has a manual and some warranty information. This is the main piece right here. Let's open it up. This is the main body of the AK4500. Extension handle. We have tripod legs, which can also be used as a handle. It has a nice grip on there. There's two screws here. I know one is for the mounting plate, which is right here, and the other one works with this accessory piece which attaches to your hot shoe on your DSLR. This thing right here is a lens support. It attaches to the front of the gimbal. We've got a whole bunch of USB cables, all different kinds, 4 rechargeable batteries, and this is the battery charger. More charging cables. It's like an audio cable. This piece here, this works with the accessory mount. Alright, box number 2 is the AK4500 standard kit accessories. Let's see what's inside. So we got another handle with full controls on here. It also works remote too, so you can actually do some motion controls with the gimbal set up stationary, which is really nice. What I love about the AK4500, it comes with its own follow focus. Now these things used to be really expensive, but this is thrown in with the kit. Fantastic. Some more USB cables. A smartphone adapter. Oh, I see what it is. Alright, these are mounting screws. Got these little wrenches here. Some extra screws here. I don't know what that's for, but this is for the follow focus. So that's it. So what I'm going to do now is build it so I can start shooting. Thanks for watching.